Thanks to digital photography, the computer, and the internet, we can show you things and share things with you without you being here. Wow, the folks at Vimeo have come up with a video distribution program that fits our program to a T. This is our very own subscription channel. Your subscription dues go to support the production and the perpetuation of these videos. It is one of the best ways to help support our cause, teaching people to maintain, restore, and use our vintage watercraft. This channel is not just for boaters. It is for anyone who wants to learn about the various crafts and skills it takes to restore these vessels and keep them in tip-top seaworthy condition. Woven in the videos about the different boat restorations are many of the tricks and techniques we use to accomplish the job. We have videos for the beginners to get you started, as well as some very advanced videos that can help you accomplish some pretty amazing things. We have instructional videos on woodworking, metalworking, refinishing, using caulkings and sealants, as well as using epoxies and composites.
Because I start making up the next one.
Yeah.
Of course, boating is our main focus here, and this channel is a great way to get your start and learn about our maritime community. We have videos on basic terminology so that you know what we're talking about, line handling, boat handling, and all facets of boating. Thanks to the Vimeo format, these videos can all be upgraded and added to without changing the link. Thanks to the comments and input of our viewers, it has made these videos some of the most entertaining and informative videos available. We also have some great interviews with builders, designers, boat owners, and salty dogs.
Jetson, was it Whalen, was it all the above, you?
All of the
Right.
team effort.
Well, we tried to do it right. And if it was right, it was good.
Yeah.
These videos preserve their knowledge and legacy so that it is not lost, and we have it for generations to come. We have a lot to do and a lot to share, and you can help by subscribing to Mpttv. You can subscribe today and be a part of preserving our maritime heritage.